Well, this is 2 weeks I've owned this 2014 Malibu with 35,900 miles on it. I believe it's got that I bought there from the, forget which insurance company it was, but anyway, I've kind of repaired the bumper cover. They wanted like aftermarket, I think it was $400. Hood, I bought an aftermarket hood for $300. Spray painted with some spray cans, and I kind of just melted all the plastic back together on the front bumper cover and used a little Bondo, and bought a grill from eBay for $40 because they wanted like $4, $5, $6, up to $1,000 for the grill, center and upper one. And Rooster's making all kinds of racket up there, ain't they, this morning? And needs some chrome around it, but I can't buy it nowhere. You gotta buy the grill and the chrome, all comes together. That's gonna cost you $500 for some plastic, so I ain't gonna spend $500 for the plastic. I got an airbag light on. I got all the airbags replaced. I got a code. It says it's on the right side, which is the passenger side. So I'm gonna undo all the plugs on the, here I'll show you. I'm gonna undo the plugs here. I got some dielectric grease I just went to O'Reilly's this morning. Bought some dielectric grease here. Where is it in this? Okay, here's the front. And I'm gonna have to undo this plug right here. That's for the seat belt. Pre-tensioner number 2, retractors back behind this panel here. Unplug that. I'll have to take this panel off, pull this headliner back, take the bolt out. Up there it holds a cylinder of whatever, I guess air or gas or something in there. That explodes the airbag, and take that plug off, which is hard to get to. And hopefully the airbag light goes off. If not, I'll have to take it to the Chevy dealer, and they will have to pinpoint where it's at, because I only got a code reader. It only goes up to 2013. This is 2014. Chevy changed their code readers at 2014, so that's $100 or a little over probably, and you gotta go there and jack around over there. So figured I'll spend an hour or so on this, and hopefully I get it to work. Hopefully it'll work, but if it don't, then off to the Schiller deal. I gotta line this up a little bit better, push that fender in a little bit better. Piece of chrome supposed to go there. I might, find one off of a junk one, a broke grill, or maybe find one that's broken and repair it. But that's where I'm at right now. So anyway, I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.